Personally, this is a very important topic for me. Through the years, I was fortunate enough to report to great leaders and also not to not so great leaders. Yes, I am fortunate enough to report to not so great leaders because I get to see behaviors that are destructive to the team and to the company. I get to learn firsthand what not to do as a leader. What is leadership? According to John Maxwell, leadership is influence. Nothing more, nothing less. Warren Bennis called it the capacity to translate vision into reality. If you Google the term leadership, you will find endless leadership definitions by the great minds and leaders. After working with so many leaders and being placed in leadership position myself, I developed my understanding of leadership. My understanding of leadership is that they are individuals who influence people to believe and work together to achieve a greater goal. Again, my understanding of leaders is that they are individuals who influence people to believe and work together to achieve a greater good. Being a leader is not easy. One must possess effective leadership qualities that help us achieve greater goals and objectives. We need the resistance and persistence of Mahatma Gandhi and the vision of Elon Musk. If leadership was easy, then we would all be in leadership roles.